Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog, to the channel. Hey, how are you guys? So, today is a very special day for us. Today is our wedding anniversary. So today is our 5-year wedding anniversary. 5 years, guys. So wish us happy anniversary. When you see this video in the comments,
yes,
we will truly appreciate it. We will be celebrating at the Plantation Steakhouse.
Smokehouse.
Smokehouse. We always call it Steakhouse. So Smokehouse. So that's where we'll be having our little dinner tonight. So we are bringing you guys along with us. Hope you can't hear me though, because we're right there roadside. So yeah, so we're going to just celebrate, have a good time, have a good meal. So our first time here, so we just allow you guys to know what's going on. Alright, so let's go.
can't use video. I have to go suspend her. You suspend. Love you guys. Hey yo, this corona thing need to hurry up and go. Can't bother with the virtual dancehall and reggae thing. When I deal with, I enjoy Jamaica no more. Say the corona, I already no more mask.
Jamaica people need to wake up. But now we're no mask.
I'll be wearing his mask, okay guys?
I not wearing no more mask. Not one more.
Alright, hi guys. So obviously this is the next day, so we didn't get to end the vlog yesterday
Because of night purpose, obviously.
Yeah, night came down, so we weren't able to actually complete the entire vlog. Our phone did dead, so we couldn't get no more footage. So we are here to just tell you guys our experience last night at the Plantation Smokehouse.
Get it
correct this time. I always just say steakhouse. Alright, yeah. So what was your experience? How did you
Well, first of all, to be honest, the setting was okay.
The ambiance is very pretty.
But I ordered the buffalo chicken spicy. It is spicy, you know, but it's too salty. To me, I never know what to take, by the way, because I don't really eat fancy things when I go out. I go eat one, you know.
And very basic with what he chooses when he goes out to eat. So like the regular stuff, you just eat when you want. And like I will try like 1 and 2 things. Not everything on the menu I will try, but you know, dibble and double here and there. So in my experience, as we said before, the ambience was nice, the music was nice, the vibe was very good all around.
As you can see, it was reggae sound splash.
Yes.
So everything was alright.
Yeah, it was it was virtual. So it was projected on a screen and we were there enjoying it. I guess they have live bands. They said they have live bands on Friday, so I guess that was our entertainment for the evening, which was very good. We enjoyed Romain Virgo, Agent Sasco. I think Agent Sasco was where we left. Yeah. So we left there. So other persons would have come on afterwards, but whatever. So in my experience, it took them a very long time to
bring the
serve,
food,
or not even to bring the food, because the food, they say it's normally done when you order. So that wasn't that. For us to be served, we didn't even get a drink of water.
or they didn't recognize that, us, like, you know, when they acknowledge you, if they ask you, oh, are you getting through?
Yeah, somebody
and all that.
brought us to a table to sit,
And that was it.
and that was it. So everybody was like walking by, and you know, and we were like, "As she come back and serve we are what me no know," because nothing was said. You understand? So we would really like for them to improve on that.
Not
if
to,
it is
not to allow them to feel discouraged, because the
Yeah.
place is good. It's just that they need to like step up a little, you know how you guys.
Yeah, I guess other
used
persons
to
will have a different experience, but we're just explaining to you our experience. We're not here to bash anybody or anything, but we're just saying how we experienced the evening. All right. So yeah, the food was okay. It was okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
It was okay.
I know
They-
too much salt though.
The
Just
salt,
cut down on the salt.
It was salty for real.
Yeah.
When we eat it is salty true. And the tacos, the fish tacos that I ate, me never really taste no fish still. It tastes like Dorito chips and cheese.
But for
And
the juice,
the stringy cheese, when you want stringy cheese, parmesan or whatever it is.
for the juice, I enjoy Bob Marley. The Bob Marley was very, very good. I would go down there right now to drink. I wanted
Bob
to drink.
Marley, yeah.
I wanted to drink the entire night.
Standard.
That's all. But you know, rock forced me to get something.
Yes,
to
like me say, why you make come out say outside and you know want to eat?
But we could have eaten
Came
stuff.
complicated, you hear?
That's all.
And complicated.
That's all. I
guys.
never want a baked chicken or jerk chicken. Me go for.
Came basic, like
So,
the
can't
most
bother with
basic of the menus,
Yes.
the fries. You don't really want the fries
No.
either. So me don't even know.
But when you come to the juice now, I definitely right now me I do think about the juice, just the juice. Can not get a drink, not even one juice.
Yeah,
me
we
get
left
try.
pretty
Just-
early.
just-
The reason for that was
It's get dark.
I'm not staying out in that area. I mean, I've no one ride. You understand? The car not ready to go up on the road yet, not at all. So we never get to drive ourselves. So we had to go on public transportation.
Yeah, I
which
don't know.
was,
Me not in a mask, so me not really like to travel up and down.
anyways, so
Right.
that was that.
But that was it. It was a good outings, good night out. You know, I enjoy myself. Rock enjoy herself.
Yeah, it was good.
And you know,
The music was
felt
good.
Felt good. You know, 5 years. You know, really, came from a long way. So just have giga thanks. So I hope you guys really and truly enjoy the content, even though it was shot in the night time. But I hope you guys understand.
Yeah, and we had to block out majority of it because the music was playing, and you know YouTube and the copyright policy.
Yeah.
So
So yes, guys. So don't forget to just keep on supporting the channel just like usual, and continue to like and comment on the videos.
Right,
you know.
so yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. I really
So-
and truly hope that you enjoyed, and if you go to Plantation State, because you can allow us to know your experience
Yes.
down in the comments below, because we love to chat with the people them down here. I want to know that we reply to every single comment. If we don't reply to your comment, that means why we busy. I don't know,
Yes.
live stay sometime we not get a chance to reply to every
And
single comment,
for,
but we are great.
for you guys who are not yet following us on our Instagram, you guys need to do
Yes.
so. Our
Instagram.
Instagram, we're gonna make it pop for 2021. So
This
see
is where
you.
this video will end. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.
Peace.